Meet Vader. Vader's favorite activity is to go swimming. Problem is, Vader has had a hard time getting in and out of the pool. So I decided to build a doggy ramp, a doggy dock, to see if there's a way for him to be able to get in and out of the pool without having to have somebody help or assist him. And so here's what I came up with. So the first thing that we're going to use to build our dog pool ramp is this black industrial mat that I picked up at Lowe's for about $22. Comes in a 3x3 inch square. I think I'll cut off one set of squares to make that a little bit longer. It was a little heavier than what I was hoping for, but I think it'll work just fine. Along with some zip ties, some nylon rope to tie to the deck, and a large pool noodle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this utility knife and I'm going to score along this set of 3 that I'm not going to use. Give it a nice good score along the top. That should break off nice and easy. Then I'm going to take and cut one more time here just to use these extra 2 to extend this one here. So I'm going to cut right here.
No.
This just cuts off. So we'll discard that. And I will zip tie the 2 of these together. So next I'm just going to take these zip ties and I'm just going to connect the 2 of these that I had broken apart. And this is just done so that it extends. I tried to find one that was this length anyway, but it didn't quite work out that way. So we just improvised. And one more over here on the end. And that gives me a 4-foot by 2-foot pad that I'm now going to use to attach the pool balloon. Here we have the ramp, the doggy dock, all secured with the noodles. These were noodles that I had on hand. It probably makes more sense to have all 4 of them be the larger of the noodles, but this one ended up working out just fine. As you can see, I just zip tied the noodles to the bottom of the mat, and then the mat just gets put into the pool like so. I have it secured to the deck just with some nylon rope, something I'll probably look to think about or maybe upgrade here a little bit. But the mat lays into the pool. I have it flipped so that the more textured side is on the top to give him more of an opportunity to crawl out. And let's see how well it works. And here's Vader's favorite part. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Show him how it works. Come on. Come on, pup. Attaboy. And that is the doggy dock.